Great Black Friday prices from LG are available in their Grand November sale until December 2, 2024. New members get free shipping, a 2% discount on any orders placed while they're a member, and a coupon good for 5% off their first purchase on LG store website. In addition, if you're in the market for a smart TV, monitor, soundbar, or refrigerator, now is the time to take advantage of LG's Grand November sale. Let's get started. LG OLED Evo C 365-inch was $2,500, now $1,300, save $1,200. Among LG's 2023 collection, the mid-range C3 OLED delivers top-notch specifications such as the Alpha 9 AI processor Gen 6, WebOS 23 interface, and 4 HDMI 2.1 connections. The enhanced performance is a result of its AI Sound Pro Virtual 9.1.2 upmix channel audio capability and superior image processing. LG 42-inch class OLED Flex Smart TV with bendable screen was $3,000, now $1,700, save $1,300. A 42-inch LG OLED Flex can go from flat to a curved position up to 900R for the best possible viewing experience. Features such as 4K capabilities, support for HDMI 2.1, anti-reflection technology, and customized gaming options are included in it, as is LG's U9 Gen 5 processor. 77-inch class LG OLED Evo C4 was $3,700, now $2,200, save $1,500. The 2024 LG C4 OLED, which is a member of the C series, is an impressive upgrade over its predecessor, the LG C3, in terms of both design and performance. The 144Hz gaming capability, filmmaker mode for accurate Dolby Vision, and 40-watt 2.2 channel speakers with virtual upmixing are all powered by the Alpha 9 AI processor Gen 7. Choose from 6 different sizes. S95TR LG Soundbar was $1,500, now $1,000, save $500. Depending on its purpose, the LG S95TR shines. The varied performance is made possible by this bar's well-balanced sound, which is slightly boomy. In addition to supporting a wide variety of audio formats, including Dolby Atmos, the bar also comes with a few sound-enhancing options. SG10TY LG Soundbar was $800, now $700, save $100. In 2024, the LG SG10TY debuted with a 3.1 configuration. Its ultra-thin profile and intended wall-mounting design are reminiscent of the LG GX Soundbar. When you have an LG soundbar that is compatible with Wowcast, you can wirelessly transmit audio from the soundbar to your speaker. For an even more immersive experience, Wow Orchestra can synchronize your bar and TV. SC9S LG Soundbar C was $1,000, now $700, save $300. A unique design incorporating 3 up-firing channels for enhanced Dolby Atmos experiences was showcased by the 9.3 soundbar, which was released in 2023. Its stylish mount guarantees a professional installation and is designed to work well with LG TVs. Streaming and Blu-ray entertainment are a wonderful fit for the elevated sound system. 45-inch UltraGear 45G S96QBB was $1,700, now $1,000, save $700. Featuring a lightning-fast 240Hz refresh rate and a crisp 3440 by 1440 resolution, this monitor provides eye-catching images because to its fixed 800R curvature. Featuring HDMI 2.1 and supporting FreeSync and G-Sync, it strikes a good balance between performance and features while reducing the likelihood of burn-in. 32-inch UltraGear 32G S95 UEB was $1,400, now $1,100, save $300. This monitor standout 32-inch 4K gaming monitor boasts a 240Hz refresh rate and advanced micro-lens array plus technology for impressive brightness. Competing with QD OLEDs, it offers a unique 480Hz dual mode for lower resolutions. Premium features include FreeSync, G-Sync compatibility, and HDMI 2.1, rounding out its exceptional performance. 34-inch curved ultra-wide 34WP65CB was $500, now $280, save $220. With its 21:9 aspect ratio and spacious workspace for multitasking, the 35-inch curved ultra-wide monitor from 2020, the LG 35WN65CB, slays productivity. Although it does not have a color accuracy mode or ergonomic stand, it does support helpful software such as dual controller and on-screen control, which improves workflow productivity. 27 cubic foot smart InstaView counter depth max French door refrigerator was $2,900, now $1,800, save $1,100. This fridge has a stylish design, ample storage, and revolutionary features. Key features include 2 ice makers, cool air technology, a tall dispenser, and a sophisticated ThinQ care system for maintenance. Its energy-efficient performance makes it the ideal kitchen partner for freshness and ease. 29 cubic foot smart French door refrigerator was $2,221, now $1,299, save $922. This fridge has 29 cubic feet of space, so it can easily hold all of your favorite foods. Its efficient design is enhanced by features like a built-in ice maker and door cooling plus technology, which work together to maintain stable temperatures. There are energy-saving features that help reduce usage and expenses, and the smart pull handle makes it easier to use. 22 cubic foot French door refrigerator was $2,200, now $1,500, save $700. The 3-door refrigerator seamlessly blends design and functionality. Its smart cooling system, adjustable spill protector shelves, and accessible external water dispenser assure maximum freshness. LED lighting, a door alarm, an automatic ice machine, and well-organized drawers all help modern kitchens perform and function better.